Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing. Something that came in from White Mountain Knives. I ordered this when it came out. I couldn't believe I actually got a chance to order it. So let's get into this. Today I'm opening up with my Wii knives. This is the Quivic. I love this little knife. Got Blade Show West knife, production knife or something like that, or design. Can't quite remember, but it's pretty cool. So definitely a knife that I like. I know not everybody's necessarily a fan of it, but that's okay. I like it. Super thin, super slicey, super ergonomic, fun to work with. Just really a great knife in hand. So let's move that out of the way. See, what do we have in here? Oh yeah, this is the 10th anniversary, so we get a super cool challenge coin. That's cool. That's something I want to put up on my wall for sure. We have a knife in here. We have a t-shirt. Oh my gosh. A special 10th anniversary t-shirt. Wii Knife Senka. Oh, that's cool. I'm going to enjoy that. I like t-shirts. I give some of them away when I, like at Blade Show, I got a huge swag pack, but this is such a nice shirt. I'm going to be wearing this. You'll probably see it on one of the live streams, I'm sure. Very, very cool. So here's the little, cool, like, I don't know if you call it a challenge coin or if it's coin. I know sometimes people call it challenge coins, but that's cool. It's even encased. That's really nice. 10th anniversary. Made better since 2014. Really cool. We're going to put that off to the side. Put that over there. All right, so Wii Knives 10th anniversary. This is a gray titanium handle with blue grooves. So this is the 601X. I don't know, is this... Ooh, it's a different box. I've noticed that. That's kind of cool. 10th anniversary. Okay, a little certificate in here. What do we have in here? So let's open this up. So we got some stickers. Oh, that's cool. Got the Wii stickers, always cool. I don't have this one, so that's going to go on the wall. I don't think I have that one. That may go on the wall too. I have this. This will be a giveaway. And we got that. We got the cleaning cloths. Man, I love these things. You see me clean everything with these. And my glasses when they're brand new. Then we've got the little certificate. Oh, it's certificate. Oh, this is a special limited edition. 95 of 150. Well, I like the smaller certificate. It's a little more friendly. I do like that. That's cool. All right, very, very cool. And then we got warranty certificate. Put that back in here. Nice, nice. And then we get into, oh, if I can get this back in here. My OCD wants to get this back in there. Can I get in there? Oh, good. All right. So here's the knife. Okay, let's get this. We'll put this back in. We'll close this little guy back up. Put this off to the side. So this is the 601X. All right, it's a big boy. It's not a small one. I can definitely feel that. Yeah, I mean, we're looking at almost the size of a Project X. That's not a small knife, right? So, all right. It feels heavy. Let's see. We'll have to look at it. Dead centered. I love that in the back. A small little lanyard kind of hole there, but not pokey or anything, which I appreciate. Man, giant mouse. Just learn how to round that. I would love more of your designs if I could comfortably use them. That's my thing. Is this? That's not fire anodized. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on a second. That is Timascus. That's a Timascus collar. Okay, that's not fire anodized. You can see that, the design on there. That's not fire anodization. Wow. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's unexpected. Let me zoom back out. There we go. All right, T8's hardware. Got on there, one there. Very minimal hardware with the back spacer back there. So we do have a fuller that I think I can get to it, but we'll try in a second. All right, so we got a flipper. Definitely have good leverage. It's kind of like the... now, I don't have my... my Neferis, I loaned that out to Lefty EDC for him to get a chance to check out because he wanted to check one out. So he has my Neferis right now. I would compare the two, but let's go ahead and give it a flip. Oh, oh, that's nice. All right, nice cutaway, good access. I love the chamfering there. Good solid lockup. Looks like we're a good 30%. No blade play. Let's see how loose it gets. Okay. Oh, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Oh, that's nice. That's impressive. All right, let's see where we clear the detent. Okay, we clear the detent right there. Definitely no double clutch because you can absolutely drop it right there. Oh wow, that's not. It almost feels like. Is it going over a ramp? Hold on a second. Where's that detent ball going? I'm just looking real quick. Nope, it's not going right, but it's pretty smooth. I'll just tell you that much. It's pretty darn smooth. Now, can I get in there? Hold on, let's see. I can. It's sharp enough. I'll tell you. You may like or not like it, but it's got just enough edge that if you really, really want to make this a fuller flick, I can get in there. Now, my hand's a little tired already. Let's see, can I do it? Yeah, I can. I just got to make sure I get the right grip on here. Yes. Yes. Now, can I do it front? I can. Hold on. I can roll it open. It's got enough edge. Let's see here. Yep, I can do it. All right, let's see. Can we do this again? Hold on. Yeah, absolutely. Can I get in there? Hold on. Now, you got to be careful because I'm pushing on the lock bar over here, so I got to make sure I got to. Okay, it's a little more challenging on this side because of the lock bar, but over here, when I can clear the lock bar, you can absolutely do that. That's a bonus flick. I wasn't expecting that because it's very hidden. It's very hard to get to, but you can absolutely do it. So that's cool. All right, beautiful sandblasted here. This is a nice satin finish. I don't know if this is a hand satin finish. It looks really nice. We've got three different angles here. Over here, this way, here, this way, this one, and these appear the same. They're not lined up to be the same, but they appear the same direction, which is good for uniformity. But boy, that action right out of the box. Oh man. Okay, so large hands, right? Extra large, double extra large hands, easy. Finger choil. Oh yeah, a reusable finger choil. Absolutely usable finger choil. No jimping up here, but it's pretty flat. It's a little sharp. It's not crazy sharp, but it's definitely a little sharp, more than I would expect for a limited edition. But again, this is not a crazy expensive limited edition. Some of these limited editions are $400 or $500, right? This is under $300 for all this material. It is 20 CV blade steel. I try not to get the blackout version, black stonewash, just because I know it's a little better heat treat on that 20 CV. I prefer that. I have gotten a few where they worked out well. I've gotten a few where it didn't. I typically have pretty consistent good fortune with the non-black stonewashed or PVD coated. Those tend to run a lot better. So, very cool. The action on this is just, it's ridiculous. Okay, so nice small lock bar. It's not huge. I don't feel like my thumb's on there, but I can absolutely flick it even if my thumb's right here. No issues with that. Now, coming in here and getting into this, I just got to make sure I've got a good grip over here, and I get my finger on that meat, and then I got to make sure I clear the flipper here, and then it works just fine. I do like the fact that there's a little cutaway here. That gives you a little extra leverage. It's already high on the leverage area, but it gives you just a little extra acceleration. The new TW Price Rain design has that as well, and that gives it a little extra flip as well. I like that. But this is pretty stinking cool. Pretty thin. Feels like a not super thin blade stock, but it does have a nice robust compound grind. Hollow here. Oh yeah, that's super crazy slicey. Nice and thick on the top. A good pokey tip for fertilizer, mulch, dog food, cat litter, cases of water, boxes, gifts, presents, letters, envelopes. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. The action's beautiful. We'll probably put Skiffs in there because the action is beautiful already. It's very good OEM cage bearings. But Skiffs will make that just ever so slightly better. I gotta tell you, it's gonna sound crazy. I think I like this more than the Nefarious. They're both up there. Those are two of my really most enjoyable Wii designs right now. Really like them. It's not a flipper only. I know some of you guys will be like, oh, it's a flipper only. That doesn't do it. Now, if you have giant meaty fingers you can't get in there, I get it. It may not be for you, but I can absolutely, I just did it earlier. Come on. Maybe my finger's tired, but I can do it over here. I can do a reverse flick on that one. And over here, I can definitely open it like that, right? I think that's cool. And over here, I can open it like that as well. I just need to figure out, what did I do over here before? Did I have just not a lot of pressure and just get the link? I just get into the groove? Let me see. I'm just trying to figure out how I did it. I did it earlier. Well, we'll figure it out. I will say it's a little tight. I mean, the action is still buttery smooth for this, but it's a strong lock bar. So I'll say Kevin from Lefty EDC and other people who like strong detents, they will enjoy that. They'll definitely enjoy that. And I love the fact that it clears right there. And so you're nice and clear. You don't have that double clutch thing that you have to deal with. And you don't have to worry about guillotining on your finger. Man, that's a nice big blade. You know, you're looking at almost 4 inches from the tip to the scale, but cutting length, we're definitely at 3.5. So that's a very usable, very useful. And even with a finger 12, 3.5, that's crazy. I like it. Very, very cool blade. I am liking this. This is nice. Let me wipe this off a little bit here. Get my fingerprints off because it's such a beautiful blade. Not because I need to, but just so you guys can see it. All right, let's do a quick zoom of this so you guys can see everything. So here's the blade, the hollow grind. That is nicely done. That is nicely done. All right, so let's look at the back. I love that satin finish in that hollow grind on there. It looks almost, yeah, that's hand done. Yeah, because, yeah, they're not exactly, this is hand done. Yeah, that's interesting, which is cool. Still really wonderfully done. Beautiful thin slicer, nice pokey tip. I love that. All right, so and here's the hardware on here. Got a little blue, you know, anodization groove down there. I like that. A couple of holes, speed holes, whatever you want to call them. Gives it just a nice flare. The curve on the blade is just unique enough that it's different, right? It's not boring. It's not the same old, same old. And back here you've got, oh, this is not sharp. It's not a little grater right here. It's not a cheese grater. I like that. The clip, got a little flexibility, a good ramp to get over. You see that? You can see the lock in here on the bar. I see the jimping up there, the jimping at least on this side. And then we can see back here, let's look at that back spacer. Nice design on the back spacer too. I think that's cool. With some jimping right there. You can still use a lanyard loop, but it's not a priority, right? So let's zoom back out. But that action is ridiculous. That's great. Yeah, so if you were to do like a push cut, right? So if you're doing a push cut like that, you've got some good grip right there. If you're doing a pull cut, you're good and secure here this way, like if you're cutting leather or plastic or big heavy boxes, you know, because this could be used as a work knife. Now I know it's a limited edition. For some of you it's a collector, safe queen, I get it. I like to use every knife I own. And this is one that I would use for sure. It's really nice. I really like this. I would have to say it's up here with this one. I really like this one. This one, I will tell you, this one, I had a, let me go over here and show you. One of my first Wii's was this, oh my gosh, I just forgot what this is. This is the Sakshi, right? They discontinued this, but I love the contoured shape and the action on this one. Such a flipper trigger, you know, everything works really great. It works on my hand size. I love the contoured shape. They had it in carbon fiber. I got the G10 because I was always had the intention of maybe dyeing that. Never did. The liner works really well. It's a titanium liner. Great priced action, buttery smooth. Got Skiff on this one. This was one of my favorite Wii's that I just enjoy carrying. It became less and less expensive. This has fallen into that. This one right here. I really like this one a lot. I tuned this. The lock bar was really strong on this at first, and it was very uncomfortable. Once you do that, and it's reasonable, at least for me, okay? You know, you tune your knife how you want to, right? I really started enjoying this one a lot. Now, this one, yeah, I like the Nefarious a lot. The Nefarious has something special, but this definitely has, ooh, man, it's so strong. Let's do it again. That is so solid. That is solid. That's goosebumps solid. Seriously, really. That's ridiculous. Okay, all right. This is really nice. I'm so glad I got a chance to get one of these. I was so excited when I saw there still was one available at White Mountain Knives. I snagged it up as fast as I could. I couldn't believe it was still there. Wow, that is solid. That's freaking solid. That's insane. Okay, very cool. All right, so hey, if you have any questions about the knife, let me know. Any questions you want to see in the review, because we'll actually do a full review on this knife, obviously. You'll see some shorts and other things, but hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, or worthwhile, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? If you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to all of those you guys out there who watch, who like the videos. Man, I sure appreciate you guys. You have no idea. Really helps out the channel. And then if you haven't already, hit that notification button down below as well, so you can be notified of future content like this video. And to all my channel members, thank you. I really mean that. Thank you. I appreciate those of you who joined when we first started, and those who joined as we went along, and then those of you who joined recently. Man, I appreciate every one of you. I am humbled by it. I am blown away by all the members. Thank you. You guys make this possible. Allow me to do so many things I otherwise would not be able to do. And I am very grateful and humbled by you guys. And I appreciate the knife community. I appreciate the Rob's nerdy little sub-community we got going on here. You guys, fellow knife nerds, I love that. I enjoy talking to you guys on the live streams and the comments. I do appreciate that so very much. So to all the members, thank you. Thank you so much. And if you've been on the fence and you thought, hey, I'd like to become a member, I'd love to have you. I'd be honored. Check out the description down below. I have 3 different tiers, kind of a budget one, like $3, $5, $10, whatever you'd like. But don't feel obligated to be a member, please. Just enjoy the content. Love to have you. Still appreciate you no matter what. But if you want to be a member, just so you know, I do want to say thank you. I do a once a month giveaway. We'll definitely have that. And then also all new channel members, I make sure, you know, if you haven't already gotten one, I'd like to send you a sticker. So email me with your name and address and I'll mail you a sticker. And if you've been a channel member for a while and you never asked for one and you're still a member, email me also. I'll send you a sticker as well. I want to make sure you guys get a sticker. And you know, the top tier, the Uber Nerds, you get a special sticker. And then of course the top 2 tiers get some extra special content. There's other things we do, just my way to say thank you to you guys. So thank you. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.